Okay, we cut an 1.25 inch hole through this. It doesn't have to be this big. You can cut it small, whatever you have for a drill. And I'm going to use a scroll saw to cut this out. If you don't have a scroll saw, you can use just a skill saw like this. So we're going to tip that all the way that way so we get an angle cut. And we're going to cut this on an angle. Now we have our center cut. We're going to sand this out with our Dremel. And we're going to sand these sides down to round them down a little bit. And that's the piece we cut out. I said you don't have a scroll saw, you can use it. That other type of saw will work too. Just put it in your vise. And we'll be back with the next step.